Hi P2, it's time for your weekly dictation. I'm going to dictate or call out 4 simple sentences to you. They're going to have the words that you were learning this week in them. I want you to listen first and don't write anything until I've called out each sentence twice. Then pause the video, write the sentence, and then unpause again to listen to the next one. If you need to listen back to one of the sentences again, ask a grown-up to rewind for you. Remember, when you're writing your sentences, each one should start with a capital letter, end with a full stop, and there should be finger spaces in between your words. Okay, let's go. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. The cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. The rat is fat. The rat is fat. I go to Dad. I go to Dad.